It's an essential ingredient for bakers who like to bake pies and tarts. It has a French name, but basically it means a buttery pie tart, a buttery pie dough that we could use for a multitude of different ingredients for the holidays. It's Pate Brisee, today in Acorn Hill. Hi guys, Louis here and welcome back to Acorn Hill. In this video, today I wanted to share with you my basic recipe for Pate Brisee or buttery pie tart dough or buttery pie dough. It's an essential ingredient that I use, a mainstay for many of the pies and many of the tarts that we bake during the holidays. As the Thanksgiving season is coming, I wanted to slowly give you an idea of the essential things that we use in making our holiday table and our holiday spread as we slowly bring in the major components of our holiday table, making our holidays an always special, always memorable thing to celebrate. Now it goes without saying that for Thanksgiving 2020, we will be making a pie. We will be making a pie that's a spin-off of the classic pumpkin pie. I'll show this on a separate vlog in a separate post, but for today, I wanted to give you the basic foundation on how to make a pie, making this buttery pie dough here in Acorn Hill. I hope you like it. For those of you who've stumbled into the channel, I really appreciate you sticking around and subscribing. We now have friends that subscribe from the UK, from Australia, as far away as down under, which is really exciting for us. And also our friends in the Philippines and our good friends here in America. So I hope that you continue to like our videos, continue to share and spread the word. It's a good channel, good contents are coming up, and it's a good space where we can all learn something new and we can all learn to harness all this good energy that's all around globally. I'm really excited that finally we are able to do this and are able to join this vast community of content creators globally who have a lot to share and who have a lot to give out to folks who are looking for good material and good things to learn from. I hope that we are serving you and providing for you the content that you need. We look forward to more of your likes, more of your comments and suggestions, especially as we all enter into this very unique time that we are about to celebrate the Christmas season during the pandemic era. No matter, we are here to provide good content for everyone so that all of us could enjoy and learn something new. Again, this is Louie, thanking you for your subscription, thanking you for being a part of Acorn Hill. Bye-bye for now.